Hi, I'm Andrew Barker. This is Modern Shakespearean Sonnet 139, Explosion in Delhi, for Justin Hughes, a friend of mine who explained surviving a explosion in Delhi, barely, in much these terms. The silence shocks much louder than the world. A hum goes on, drones on, moves on, and then there's light and open mouths. The moment blurs and sense kicks in as senses start to spin. You look to left, the people are on fire. You look to right, there's people in the street. You move towards the street. You move towards the street. You move towards the street, you move towards the street and find yourself outside. You're in the street, yet how you got there you will never know. There's specks of sound, there's skin gone, there's a beat you feel as real as fear that won't let go. You look to left again and then you think, please, please let me turn my head, don't let me freeze. Thank you. That was Modern Shakespearean Sonnet 139, Explosion in Delhi, for Justin Hughes.